Wednesday, 31st day in the month of August 2016. And at the final day inside this month of August, we dey wrap up the month with talk say we don't carry another ogbonge action episode come. As e dey hot, we dey tell una say every weekday na action day, sake of say all the action to the way they come and smoke inside Obodo Nigeria political boxing ring. We go drop am down, discuss this matter, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am the way the thing be you for body. As from what you can see, not be only me there inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabi take concerning politics matter as e dey hot.
Yes, a beautiful morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Now the same program, una program, our program. Everybody program as they hot now we don't carry come now way. Oh, we go do it, we go sunshine now, informate now, different political activities that they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we no go different because now another interesting story now we don't carry come now way. And by the time we go open our phone lines, at least they'll also feel call contribute. My name never change. My name is Nkubi, and this now as e dey hot.
Nkubi don't talk. I'm saying now another interesting story now we carry come, and we no go waste time. We go drop them down, make everybody understand the gist when we say we carry come. This one they happen inside Ondo State and at the APC secretariat. Make a break and make everybody understand. Secretariat are like the main office of the party based on APC things inside Ondo State. But it get one particular action when they happen there. If we check Nigeria today, we get what they call staggered elections based on say after we do election at some point, court talk say no be this person win, now this person will all do the thing again. So some states know they do election when all of us they do election. Generally last year we do election for 2015, but Ondo State and Ekiti State, Ondo State and Edo State go do their own for inside this year. Quick one, we go rush enter inside one small break. When we go the break, come back, I go give all the gist based on as e dey hot. Will they come back? Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Before we go that break, I've been talking and say we go drop the topic when they discuss. And from the earlier one, when I don't drop, everybody go understand where the story they come from. But it go good, we'll give background so that everybody go get the gist. And we know say the November 26th gubernatorial elections for inside Ondo State now something where we say it don't cause plenty ginger for people body. As we they speak at the moment, the party where we say they rule Ondo State, led by Ogamimiko Olusegun and the People's Democratic Party, and the APC don't come and go talk say by force by fire based on the way we say they don't present their record and the way they go campaign, they're ready to win Ondo State. But the way when things they go, it come like say confusion don't enter inside the arrangement. The question when they ask today with what did not happen for inside Ondo State when we say the party secretariat when supposed to be like the office of the party, they don't turn out to Okija shrine based on say some people carry Ogun shrine go drop for the front of the party secretariat and say anybody won't get too well make it enter. We can only ask question say to serve now by force, to serve people when you talk say you want lead them to greater things now by force. Now 26 people talk say they want become governor for inside Ondo State. Some people they complain say how the Asiwaju
under that political party,
under political
APC,
party. No, but it's allowed. If you if there be 100.
No, I'll just make it just specify now under APC.
Even if there be 100, when talk say they want become governor, representing the party. Now very good thing because now the democracy what they talk about that everybody supposed get the right to participate. Yes. But the question now say some people they talk say how person when be say you know come from the state. Even though he be leader of the party, the Asiwaju, he go come and talk, say, out of everybody, now this person I prefer. And they talk, say, they don't do 2 plus 2. Don't see, say, anytime when he talk, say, now this person I prefer. Whether or whether, now that person, now he always
eventually come out.
They come and talk, say, be like, say, monkey hand, don't enter inside this arrangement, even before the thing starts. Nkubi, this question is to you. Because if you people promise us democracy, and you promise us freedom, and now you come be like say una don dey carry wetin dey happen for inside Yoruba film or Nollywood. They bring inside real life. Una turn party secretariat into shrine. You have to explain to Nigerians, please. It's over to you.
Good. Which kind of question they ask me so?
Which one be which kind of question? Nigerians see picture. Nigerians see video. Of no be even say una. You don't say we get ebo. Ebo na the one where we say you go dey inside calabash. Una fit put 2 eko with egg with palm oil.
Variations.
This one una carry the.
The God, like, the God itself.
You know say this thing just be like bank. We dey get teller. We dey get ATM. Una carry the ATM. Go put. Una carry the God from the shrine. Go put for front of there. Now the people wey do this thing now. Chena say na only them better to serve. The people when they talk say that this person will prefer. Say that they get the right to talk say that this person.
You see, one major thing about democracy, we say, democracy give you the right to say, okay, if just as you talk, if now 100 people won't contest under or just one position, fine. But make we get that freedom. Make we not get interference. Make we not say, okay, make we not say anything like godfatherism in a particular system. So that at least from the church mind of the people will come out. And also from the church mind of the people who won't do it, we won't vote them. So, okay, now this person will go through. We'll go fit to see a very, at least, effective primary election. We'll be saying in the end, anybody who emerge as winner, now the person will come be so candidate. But the issue of imposition, you're trying to impose in a democratic setting, now waiting people will get issue with. And that is why this shit don't reach the level where it reach. Because the question comes be say, to serve, just as to serve, not by force. Why we say our politicians don't they so desperate? When I mean desperate with capital letter, not just capital letter, boldly written capital letter. It is no longer about service to the people. From what you were saying, that service to yourself. Now don't they see so? And that is why people will go that far, that extreme, to say, these people or this position, you don't go smell out after that thing. Any god from anywhere, if not to go invite them from anywhere, we go put her here to scatter the whole thing. Come on, what is the meaning of all this?
But I want you to go straight to the point.
What point, please?
What point
are you trying to do? You want
the center of the question we ask now say to serve now by force. Now, if you want serve person, based on the way even democracy can do, now the person will give you the mandate, say, okay, Oga, you don't present yourself. I don't legitimize your service, come serve me. But my question now say...
Who did ask this question you ask?
No, everybody knows.
You can't ask me.
To whom it may concern.
To who?
To whom it may concern.
Who is this person?
The man that carries the broom. The man that promised
I'm a Nigerian.
The man that promised us 5,000 that did not give us.
Well,
the man that promised to feed our children.
Chukwudi.
The man that increased fuel. The man that made bag of
let us address this
the man that cannot tackle. The man that cannot tackle the issue. The man that is always.
Please.
No, it's
that
the
is
truth.
the matter don't pass that level. Let us address it the way we see right now.
Nkubi.
For us to bring in gods. Our ancient deities into politics. It don't pass something else.
People when they bring this thing enter now.
Politicians.
Of which political party?
Politicians.
Of which political party?
Politicians.
Of which political party?
It's not about political party.
It's about the party here.
See, you know,
wait. When they drop this thing, they drop them for front of market or they drop them for roundabout. They drop them for front of APC secretariat. See, who could be seen?
Wait. So what are you trying to drive at? What do you try to drive at?
If you want reach Z, you must go through A. In the course of going through A, you must go B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, then Z. If you think say you feel jump to the end without coming from the start, no problem. All of us don't agree here now. You see, I won't make you admit first.
No, when you say all of us, who are the people? Who are the other people?
Wait, I won't make you admit here first. Say, when we talk of the political class, whether PDP, or whether APC or all, many of them don't show us say their behavior are the same. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree with you.
Thank you, you agree.
Yes.
And it go good when if they address issues, make we stop to the talk, say, look at them. Because the talk say, if you point one finger,
the rest they point you.
The rest they point to you.
No, you. Now your example.
Okay, if I point one finger
to me.
No, not like this.
No, if I point 4 fingers to you, one they point me.
You know why you don't even they point?
You say you guys. Because why go bring an example? You guys tell if one finger they point the rest they point me. Which can't top that?
The hand when they even they point me, no even near me. So how will you be pointing?
It's not about getting near you.
So how will you be pointing to me?
Directly to you. Okay. You they see the fingers.
As you okay, take for example.
Like this.
No. Take for example, you point like this.
You point like this.
No.
If I point like this, or even say, I use my 10 fingers, point like this.
No. Point your own, I point my own.
I'm pointing.
You started like this, I'm starting like this.
No, I decided to start like this.
If I point all my finger like this for you.
Even with my leg joint, point everything give you.
No, you go follow, no raise leg.
You say smart.
No raise leg.
Go on, let's talk something, John. You're telling me.
Answer the question.
What question do you want me to answer?
Why APC for this country now? The new things, now new film, now they give us. Now new film.
We know, if they talk about new film, we also don't happen for Anambra some years back.
Which one happened for Anambra?
Okay, IGA.
For Anambra.
Now, no, under which political party?
How many years ago?
Wait, some years back.
Wait, it happened some years back. Under which political party?
Under your political party.
The same person will be the actor for there. Where in there now?
No. Behind might say they carry and go there, yo.
Carry and go where?
They carry and go there.
Wait.
They force and go there.
Wait.
They force and go there, yo.
Now wait. He using 2 leg waka go there.
They force and go there.
Wait, he using 2 leg waka go there.
But they force and go there.
Now where in there? So you don't even show say na una from the very beginning. Una juju.
Hey, please.
Nigerians are saying serve us. Come and serve us. You people should stop using not to do. Una don't see. Una don't do promise and faith.
You don't do.
Promise and faith.
You don't do. We still have 3 years down the line.
Make I give Nollywood people idea on how to go do film. First film, Unfulfilled Promises. Part 1, part 2, part 3. That one, no, it can't be part
Unfulfilled promises.
Unfulfilled.
Make it be no. Make it be in mind. Say there are topics. You don't see titles of him where carried unfulfilled promises. You don't see them. So you don't even enter at all. You don't enter.
Oh yeah, we will call that one Waiting for Promise.
Yes, we don't also see film. We'll be waiting for promise.
Season 1. Season 2. Now you know that the second year we now season 2. You should be saying we still have time.
Which means your prayer now be say you dey pray make this government no work.
I say I dey give idea.
No, you dey pray make this government no work.
Waiting for promise.
You dey pray make this government no work. But your prayer no go work.
May I give you second one?
No, they give me. You are not giving me.
In the pipeline. Season 1, season 2. We are waiting for the remaining 2 seasons. May I give you third one? We shall.
That will not be title of him now.
WW, we.
I go just look at how lengthy the we shall.
No.
The title of him. I go mention that as title of him.
See how they go write down. WW, we. You understand? We shall. They will write W raised to power 3, WS raised to power 3.
Which film you don't ever see where they get raised to power something?
Now everything they start new. Which people don't ever promise us say they will feed children when we still wait for them.
The issues today they on ground.
We are waiting for that film. Who could be answer question?
What do you want to answer?
To serve na by force.
Yeah, you don't do by force.
Why would I?
But then, hold on, please. Enough of this. What to mean about this? Not even see. In this case, it is very clear. It is very clear. Make we even state that it is very clear. The people. They agree say somebody want to dominate the system.
I beg call the name of that person.
I know somebody.
No.
The people they agree say somebody want to dominate the system.
Objection, my lord.
Objection, which lord? Are we the court?
How you go call say the people say somebody call the name of the person? Are you afraid?
What's the matter? I have the right.
The truth shall set you free.
I have the right to address any issue. Do I want to address it?
You cannot escape it.
Okay.
Who is that person?
See my mouth. Come force me talk out.
Who could be wait? Where this particular thing happen? Ondo State. Where it happen? APC secretariat. Who be this person when one impose person? Tell us his name. If you know your name is Nkubi.
My name is Nkubi.
If you know your real name is Nkubi.
My name is Nkubi.
Your name is not even Nkubi.
My name is Nkubi.
Your name is Chuku. I will expose you. Your name is Chuku.
Hey, young man.
Nkubi is your Cameroon. Nkubi is the name where your Cameroon wife give you. Your name is Chuku.
Hey, young man, please.
Your name is Chuku.
Respect yourself.
Strong name.
Don't you ever on this platform come they tell people my secret. What's the meaning of that?
Which secret?
Why would they tell them my name?
One day breeze go blow and this thing go open. We go break. Chuku.
Which break?
If I don't ever call you Nkubi, Chuku.
Don't you ever dare it.
Why do you want to serve us by force?
Who is serving you by force?
Why do you turn your party secretariat into a shrine?
Who is serving you by force?
No, go break. Come on, you go answer.
You
must answer the question.
You know this break, Which break?
Oh, yeah, hold the break now.
Yes, and welcome back. The program now AS E DEY HOT, and it's day hot. It's very obviously. It's very, very hot. And then if they watch us for GoTV channel 98, Start Time channel, that is channel 195, and if they watch us for free to air channel 57, the program as I talked earlier now AS E DEY HOT. And what we want to talk about today, we they look into the issue of the primary election was supposed to hold today for Ondo State. That is under the platform of APC. We know who. We don't shift to September. That is September 3rd. And what will be the gist? We hear say some aggrieved members of the party do it carry gods, one of the gods of them, the Yoruba land, which is Ogun, go put in front of the secretariat. And this actually raised a lot of aggrieved issues, raised a lot of questions, and people, they react, say, okay, why has politics gone this far? Check to serve, shouldn't by force. Why we say we they so desperate to say we will enter this position by force? And we don't also open the issue, also address and do will support that. But right about now, we could also ask ourselves these following questions. The person way say, okay, now this person in wants. Say in don't foresee say, okay, now this person be the only better person or the only right person who fit lead the state the way we want them. Okay, then when they ask again, say, okay, what's the other people they fear for? That is the other people where we say, where they agree with the fact, say, somebody they try to impose them, a candidate to them. What do they fear for? Shouldn't have fear say they feel lose. I mean, fear, shouldn't have sincere fear be the fear what they fear. And the third person will come there and say, what do we feel do to also stop these things? To also at least ensure, say, our leaders, so they're not going to take us for granted. These are the questions that they ask. And we also want our viewers to do it. By the time we open our phone lines, may I also at least answer these questions. We can also know where we are on this particular issue. Chukwudi is the studio, and the matter still very, very hot.
It could be very important. Now you go start first.
How?
So that we go lead and Nigerians go follow. You don't ask 3 questions. Number one. This person, when you no agree, won't call his name. When I don't wait, excuse me. Because of say,
no, excuse me. Make you, why you no one call the name?
Thank you very much.
Call the name now.
When I start story, when I drop story first, I talk about where everything happened. I give all the facts. Why if you say when you won't call the talk your own, you call the talk say, some people they talk say, one man they talk say, one person won't do say, why continue even after we on a national, you are still doing we in individual talk. Why? Why? What do you want me to do? Say the name of the person, let everybody know.
Okay, Emeka, good morning.
It's not okay, Emeka that
good morning.
We have Emeka on the line.
Okay.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Emeka can be. Good morning, Oga Emeka.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
I greet your guy, Emeka.
I beg, no, Nkubi, no let Chukwudi intimidate you.
He will not. He will not.
APC, we will succeed.
Yes.
For this country.
Thank you very much again, Mika.
Now, talking about this Ondo state issue, the thing, it gets as a deal. But the thing where they baffle me, they say, why is it that Nigeria here, politicians, they want to do, including all parties, both PDP, APC.
Yes.
Why is it that Nigeria, they won't die put? For abroad, for Canada, I learned that even civil servants, now then they do all this president, prime minister, councillor, because you cannot call a businessman for Canada, I mean, answer you. Because we still think one go do there. It shows that you get something when Nigerians, they find good there. Nobody Nigerians, they go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much again, Meka.
Okay, make a quick one.
I hear you.
Make I go ask you this question now. Make I go ask you this question. I'm going to talk about CB now. Many of the people, they vex, say, the Ashiwaju, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in talk, say, out of all of una, now this person I like pass. I want to ask you one question.
Yes.
Oga Ashiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, based on all the things when you know for politics, you think say if he talk say na this person be the best, indeed na that person be the best out of everybody.
Maybe he don't foresee that person na be the main person wey fit really lead the state.
No, the thing is not.
Okay, Meka, we dey hear you.
You see am?
No, you see all right.
Bola Ahmed Ashiwaju Tinubu, make we no involve that man. Because we don't, the man don't say no get anything to do for this matter.
Okay.
So we'll just leave the man out of it.
Okay.
They will sort themselves out. I beg.
Okay, Meka, thank you very much.
Okay, Meka.
I go come back to what you dey talk, but we'll take
Oga Polycarp
all the way from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
We greet you, Oga Polycarp.
Chukwudi, please. Please, maybe not a tease. Nkubi. Because God made you to be tall and made him to be precise.
No, Oga Polycarp, now my brother now. That one I just discussion.
Don't ever address me as your brother here. Okay. But Oga Polycarp, continue.
Okay, now, the thing what I'm talking about, it reminds me of some time ago where some women, for Delta State, go die to do for some NEPA poles.
Yes.
So that every time when they come there, they go die. I think I don't know whether it's working for them or not working. But whoever put that juju for that secretariat, it don't mean anywhere for APC. And this is a better time for PDP to reinforce themselves and make sure they maintain their security in that state. When the house of APC is disarray, let the PDP consolidate there and maintain their leadership there. But But it's very bad that Tinubu, after spending 8 years in Lagos, having his own time, now because he's well opportunity to become the leader, now he can find himself to be dictated for that state. Who will be there and who is not.
But Oga Polycarp, a quick one. If we don't get somebody, we say, he don't there at the helm of affair for one political party. And now somebody will say people respect well. And sometimes, most times, any way he talk, if they turn out that way, and they also see, at least, direction. Once he don't say this thing, like this, it will be. And they see the direction, say yes, in the end, result, they come out from that thing. First, for somebody like him, we say people respect. She nothing say, maybe, going by what you don't see for that state, now that person.
Democracy. Allow the people to make their choice. He should not impose them himself on other people.
Very true.
Let them allow people, other people to do their thing the way they want it.
Okay.
Let them put that juju there. Let them use their own juju because she won't come out that thing for that place. Let them do their work there. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp.
And make I address what your guy Emeka talk. You see, Oga Emeka start to say, make I no intimidate you, say APC will get through this. You see, the truth is, if people don't agree talk when things they happen, then things go continue to dey spoil. See, as the voice of reasoning, as the voice of wisdom, as the eye that sees, because when you dey there,
and
excuse me, let me land. I don't interrupt you. No, you can't interrupt me.
Hold on now.
Because person when dey there, he know they see say something don spoil. Now those of us when they watch, they tell us say do am. And it's time for you to say, you don't make mistake.
As the voice, we also see some element of say yes, prospect go come out from this particular government. That same voice, that's what I also foresee. Just they see small, slight challenges at a surface, but with a result, say something better will go eventually happen.
If you continue to lie to yourself,
Lucky,
you will never move
we have
forward.
Lucky on the line.
If you continue to lie to yourself,
we have Lucky on the line.
You can never move
Lucky
forward.
is on the line. Good morning, Oga Lucky.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I greet you, Oga Lucky.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Lucky.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Yes, today, yeah, back. Oga Lucky, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
Yeah, it's off.
Okay.
They will not just begin to fight ourselves. So many times, I don't talk and say, why it be say in Nigeria in particular, somebody go say he want to do this thing. At the end of the day, he not fit one. Why that person, for God's sake, why he not go resign by himself? Look at this our boy now when he go Rio Olympics, our coach, Fia. Because of money problem and other
issues,
problems,
yes.
he looked at it that this thing I cannot continue. He threw in the towel. As our president, he doesn't about talk to the whole world, not only to Nigeria. To the whole world, he said he is coming to crush Boko Haram in 3 months. When he starts, how many months now? How many months now?
But Oga Lucky,
a state like Ekiti, 25 people are coming out under one political party, for God's sake. Now business. They have turned our politics into correct business. It is not supposed to be like that, for God's sake. All of them should quit. People like Una should come in and rule this country for us. I bet you, within the next few periods, military is going to come and they are going to wipe all these people out of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your important contribution, but it go good make we talk say democracy. Now, if we know how we go look at now the best form, because the fact say you even they call us to tell us say make people like us go participate. Now something where we say now only democracy will make us enjoy them. If we the operate system where we say people suspend constitution, wahala go dey. We go foreign now, enter inside Amsterdam and collect this call from Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your patience. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning,
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
The topic, interesting one, because on a topic where say Nigerians they're supposed to debate about, the issue of to serve your country. Those who they come out to run for governor or local government chairman, they are not intelligent people. They are people with money. When I mean say intelligent, they say they not get political idea. You understand me now? To rule a state or a local government
or even president self. Presidential, to be a presidential candidate or local government candidate, anything, you must have a vision. You must see something when you say they go wrong, when you say you want me, your people benefit from. When you say they benefit from. Those are the ideas when you're supposed to get in your head. But we see, say, in Nigeria, in our past the money. Those who get money, because they don't say when they enter, they to acquire more money. It's not about the people, but rather for themselves. But somebody to come and say, you want say that this person needs to say the right person to rule a place, not a bad thing. But now for the people of the state or local government to make that choice. You understand me now? I have an idea. Who could be good to become a president? You know me say the entire Nigeria must support who could be to become a president.
But Ogabobi,
is your opinion, yeah? I hear you.
Okay, make I ask you this question. If he be say, if anytime when you come and talk, say, now this person I like, now this person I like, and another person when you like, now in they always emerge.
Yes.
You don't think say the other people when they complain say, Oga, why you go come talk this thing now? If we be 26, why not give all of us the opportunity to participate? You don't think say those people then get case too?
First of all, that is called endorsement.
Okay.
Not to say something different. It happened for Western world here too. That they endorse person, like people like during this American
America, between Obama and
Obama endorsed
Hillary Clinton.
Hillary Clinton now. Now endorsement, I believe that this person he go fit do this work. You understand me? I not miss the rest of the American people because that Hillary will go. You understand me now? So it's an endorsement. You endorse somebody, say, I believe that this person get the potential to become a good candidate for to run well for now. Not me say
now the person will eventually emerge.
Talk. Now you well, so you understand me now.
Very, very true.
You endorse somebody, you know me say
important contribution.
Everybody people must follow you.
Thank you very much. We get somebody on top of our telephone.
Thank you very much, Oga Bobby.
We get Prince. Oga Prince, welcome to AS E DEY HOT, all the way from Owerri.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
The chief imam of AS E DEY HOT, good morning.
Good morning, Oga. Oga Prince, is there?
Chief priest of Juju, make it of AS E DEY HOT, make it help us remove that thing with the plant on that front of APC secretariat in Ondo State. You see, as Bobby don't talk about, to endorse somebody no be bad thing. You understand? Because Tinubu will go do the voting. You understand? Not people will go do the voting. Now the people who gather there go do the voting. So he, as his own idea, he said, as this person, as person,
considering in position for the political party.
I know. Other people, because of Nigeria, other people want that endorsement. They want that endorsement. No, they are not serious to rule. They are not serious. That is why they are afraid to contest. What does it mean? Say, if Tinubu says, this person I prefer, is it Tinubu that will do the voting? I do understand it. Tinubu only have one vote. So they should not be afraid. Let them cool down their mind.
Hey, Oga Prince, thank you very much for your contribution. But I want to ask you one question too. And that question I want to ask Oga Bobby, but because of time, say we won't take you and make no answer. I'm going to ask, say, if every time he come and talk, say, now this person, now him I want, based on saying he get the right to endorse anybody, you don't think, say, other people get the case to come and talk, say, Oga, if you talk am for Ekiti, or you talk am for Ondo, you talk am for Bayelsa, and like this happen, this is what you can't talk here. If this person not be the person when we say a lot of us want to call, because politicians have the first come back, sit down, come discuss, say, okay, 26 of us no fit become governor. Why we no step down for one person? Or why we no give the two best people amongst us the opportunity to contest for this thing? We get Chris all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Chris, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Yeah, good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Chris.
We get through Oga Chris.
Nkubi.
Yes.
Okija Shrine, You don't tell Waka come on for PDP. You don't enter APC. Because even the actor, you know him very well. In a minister now for Labour. So, what are we talk? When we will say we will take juju kill, because on that one, Africa man they fear. It not the work. Just look at Lagos State. In those days, why Otedola be governor for Lagos State, 1993? And because Salami and Bajabia Mila, they started fighting. You see, they don't endorse them already, saying that they will win. But when they come to fight, the other man from nowhere,
eventually win.
So if they fight, well, they will give the PDP another chance again. So now, so me, I see him.
But Oga Chris, I want to ask one question now. And this question, I say, this particular fight now, like you talk, if they fight, it will give another man opportunity. And people they talk say, when two elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers. If another man will be politician take advantage, you don't still think say the people go still suffer. Because if the person when the people want no enter and another person can't enter, you know go still continue in underdevelopment.
And because they don't use wisdom. You see, if God talking for Bible, when Solomon came, he said the first thing when he asked of, you know, ask of money, not ask of power. He said he asked of wisdom. So if you not ask of wisdom before you want to become leader, then you go fail. Everything when you plan go fail. You understand? Now, you see the way they started using juju at first. That means they are not applying wisdom. No wisdom in it at all. So the juju will not lead them anywhere. You want to kill your brother because you want to come and rule. So that one is zero. So since you not plan very well, you can, if you enter there, you will not plan.
Oga Chris, thank you very, very much for this contribution. If you no plan very well, now the result, now be this, now what they actually turn out to be. We get Oga, that is Oga Solomon, all the way from Chicago. Oga Solomon, good morning. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT. Good day, fine.
Oga Solo.
When I see the news first of all, I just start to laugh, man. So they carry Ogume, put for secretariat. Well, what do you say? Like I always talk, PDP, not the APC not PDP. Now the same thing, many politicians working for Nigeria, now waiting all of them, they do all they get jobs. Let me see, no man will use all of them, man will generalize.
Okay.
As far as Nigeria is concerned, if you want to run for election in Nigeria, you say that you get God 100% or you get devil 100%. That's Nigerian politics. If you don't be just man, then you have to be close to God. Now, no two ways about it. Now, with the other my guys, they thought like Bobby, true, to endorse person not a bad thing. But all these things they talk to endorse, now for Western world, that's what they want. For Nigeria, if president and this person won't make big power, then it could just be. They impose. Nigeria, all they impose.
So endorse, the endorsement different from imposition. Now they try to tell us.
Nigeria never did that endorsement sign. All those Western world, America, all those UK, they go endorse. But this one, like, when you listen to this person I want, everybody will just have to bow and just maintain that level. Which is wrong. So endorsement now for Western world, but for Nigeria never did that level yet. As a matter of fact, we know they practice democracy and civilian rule according to one politician. That's just the truth.
Very true.
Solomon,
we appreciate
thank you very, very much.
Contribution. But like you talk, the people when they're the Western world, when would they look up to, based on say, if we get small money, we go do holiday or go do shopping because we think say their own original pass. They get one head, they don't get two head. And if not their system we adopt, why it is our own con different from them? Like we talk, endorsement no be bad thing. If you talk say, based on my political experience, now this person, I might think say go fit do and well. But like what your Prince talk, now only one voting get. In this case, he don't even get vote because he no be delegate. But some people they talk say, because of the kind muzzle when he get based on money and plenty mouth, if you just come and talk say, this is the person I want, there's nothing you can do about it, and so on and so forth. So it go good, make they take things easy, make it no cause confusion and problem inside our country. But Nkubi, now you go see the. But
somehow I want slightly deviate from this whole thing. Also trying to the people where they agitate now say they don't want this. But before then, make we do it, make we go for this quick break. When we come back, the matter continues as it is hot.
Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. The discussion still continue based on say to serve now by force. We ask that question based on recent development for inside Ondo State. We be given a gist that 26 people come and talk say they won't wear the shirt of APC to become governor for the November 26th election when go happen inside this 2016. But some people talk say the Ashiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu come and talk say out of everybody when they there, Dr. Segun Abraham, a person when we say in like, people come and talk say, anytime when you talk say you like one person, that person I they always they win, say you know suppose they talk this kind of thing. But some people come and talk say endorsement, they're different from imposition. Some of our callers don't come and talk say for Nigeria. Endorsement imposition if you go against wetin the Baba don talk, it go cause problem. We come dey ask 3 important questions. Number 1, shey na say the person sabi pass for am to come and talk say na this person be the right person. Number 2, these other people if dem look am, shey dem get case. And number 3, wetin we go fit do? Because if 2 elephants fight, na the grass dey suffer.
Yes, you don't ask these questions, and the questions we will also expect our viewers just as na don dey do the reaction. Me na also do it, me na also react. But the question I want ask, I want just see me and debate. This particular issue now, we don't see as they take play out. We don't see the issue of say, okay, endorsement. We don't also people they say I'm talking as imposition. But then I come on ask say, okay, Asiwaju himself don't say that Segun Abraham in wants out of 26 people.
No be say he want, he say he
like. Okay, if for instance Asiwaju can say, okay, now somebody else in wants, say the person go there aggrieved.
Exactly, that one too now. That's it.
The person go there aggrieved.
But then again, if we talk say there be 26 people, this thing they go every way. If we talk say now,
anyway,
like,
Chukwudi, before we
happen to other ones.
More collect this call from Ogobiora. Ogobiora, they call us from Yola. Good morning, Ogobiora. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Yes.
Chukwudi, see one thing I want to talk about. Why our politicians are not performing is because of this endorsement. All of them, in fact, many of them, let me not say all, many of them go down to history of Nigeria, from local government, from councillor to chairman to governor, even the president, the sitting president now. You remember when the primary election is moving on? It's same as what it has endorsed Buhari now, and people voted for him. So endorsement is what we find in our policies of Nigeria, and that is why they cannot perform good. Because person that endorsed you, that endorsement physically is endorsement, but down, if you look at inside, they will put all their effort to make sure that that person they endorse is the winner of the election, no matter what it will take. So it's not ordinary endorsement. People say endorsement is not a problem. It's not like that. It's not ordinary endorsement. I like this person. No. They endorse you, they will put you there, they will force you to win the election. And you must win the election whether good or bad. So, and that is why they can never perform. Because person that endorse you and make you to the governor will not allow you to perform good. You must discharge one way or the other. Unless you want to turn to a rebel, like what is happening in Kano now, and other states, that you will see a governor is fighting with his president. So that's why we are suffering in Nigeria. So, and don't say they don't change the thing. Come and carry their normal nature. Because I tell you that most of our politicians, they don't know God. They don't go to church. They don't go to mosques. They just get the name Christian or Muslim. Now they are not bringing their main picture, what they meant, is what they meant
into the system.
So we pray that God will save Ondo from the hands of this type of people. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ogobiora, for that contribution. I will get Ogeyemeka. Ogeyemeka, they call us from Oshodi for Lagos. Good morning, Ogeyemeka.
Nkubi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Ogeyemeka.
I enjoyed our program.
Thank you very much.
I called last week.
Okay. I beg, make we hear your contribution.
See, I don't know what you concern Tinubu for Ondo. It's no good that they impose people on top people.
Ogeyemeka.
They run Ondo from Lagos State.
Ogeyemeka.
Sir?
Say we go call this one outrightly imposition. Because like we talk, he get the right to talk, say, now this person I know. But then again, look at from this angle. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu na person when we say, the experience when he get for politics, especially if we talk about, say, okay, since the return to democratic rule, especially as he there for opposition, when we say, like say the weight plenty on top of his shoulder, but he still carry am. You don't think, say, somehow, if we dey look for politics, he don't reach professor level. And for that to talk, say, now this person I might want, in there, right?
Nkubi and Chukwudi, see, Oga Chukwudi. Tinubu, they no born for Ondo. Person wait for the roof for Ondo, na person where they come for Ondo. Now my own opinion be that too. Now person where no grant, now they do the grant. Person no see from another state, come the rule another state where you no know. Make we do politics that's supposed to be for Nigeria. And democracy we do. Who could have practiced democracy? Person wey supposed rule people, na person wey people choose on their own. You understand?
Yeah, so
we not supposed to allow person wey go choose person wey go rule people where you dey for other place. One can they control person where they in place. You know possible.
Very true.
Okay, Meka, thank you very, very much for that contribution. And go also they urge you to tell your friends and for sure they may do it. Maybe they call in on the program as they hot. We got Oga Friday. Oga Friday they call us from Ikoyi. Good morning, Oga Friday. Oga Friday, you there?
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Friday.
Good morning, Chichi.
I agree to Oga Friday.
I beg, Oga Friday, if your television day on, I beg, bring them down so make we hear you.
Okay, now let me hear me.
Yes, right on, right on.
Nkubi, I beg, there's something I want to tell you guys. I beg. There's something very important.
Okay, are they here? Who they here?
My senior brother daughter is from Morile side there. They are looking for it, seriously.
You say
your senior brother daughter?
Yes.
What happened to them?
He just got me on Thursday night.
On Thursday night, that's last week Thursday.
They were looking for us, seriously, sir.
Okay, Oga Friday. Wetin we go just talk now, say the Nigerian police force get certain responsibilities, and one of them now to ensure the protection of lives and property based on civil order. If una don report the case to police, because police they get a particular window when we say they look say okay, after this specific period of hours, if the person no come back, see what they go do. If you lodge complaint to police, I think it's better than say you can't report to us first, because now police now you go tell me they open case file, see what they will do. But we hope say your sister, when be our sister, say he go come back house. Because this thing a very, very painful something to lose person when we say you love. Now, Nkubi, but if you check the contribution when we say a lot of our people then they contribute for this particular discussion, a lot of people they talk say it dey very, very good. Make we allow say if na democracy, make it really be democracy. And why we go allow this call, make it not be like say we dey stampede our caller. Good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Chooks, good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chooks.
Oga Chooks.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
I don't try connect since all these days. You know,
okay.
I don't know why again.
They be like that sometimes. But they hear you.
Yes, okay. The issue on ground, you see, you get some certain things where they make person laugh. You see, we are still not getting it right in this country. As long as we're making that governance very juicy, very, very palatable, very, very profitable, it will still happen this way. You understand? So now the only thing when I get to talk with this. Then on the issue of Tinubu, everybody respect and not true. But for me, it is time to just even go and sit down and let the populace choose whoever they want there. Make it just relax. Then the issue of yesterday, I wanted to connect yesterday.
Okay.
Some small thing for yesterday.
Feel free.
They hear you.
Go through.
Feel free.
Continue.
You see, anybody, to my own thought, anybody who they equate Niger Delta militants to Boko Haram, I don't think that person is right. Is a right thinking person. Yes, they are both bad. We know. But we prefer, no matter the situation, one will still prefer one to the other. The issue is that one is fighting for their right, for a good cause. The other ones, they don't get cause. Then for you to come and equip them, you put them together, it is not right. And then you now they negotiate with people who say that they take life. But the ones we won't get their right, we say make you come into our attention. Come into our problem. Come help us solve this problem. You won't take them bad on them. It's a very bad thing. Now, the only thing when I want to talk about that.
Oga Chooks, thank you very, very much for that contribution, and also for at least also contributing to what we'll talk about yesterday. We'd always talk and say everybody gets their own opinion on any issue we'll bring. And now for us to do it, by the time we hear all the opinion, we'll feel say, okay, make we assess and make we review and make we know the one way government will feed use on top of them. Thank you very much once again. I also want to thank everybody who also called on this program. We thank you now. Also the urge that make that do it, make that they always stick with us on this program.
as you dey urge them to stick with us, I beg urge your people make they carry the.
See, tomorrow we'll come again.
Make they carry the thing where they put for front of. As they talk una,
if you don't take care, I'll come present.
I'm covered.
I'm also covered.
I'm covered.
I'm covered.
I'm not afraid.
I'll come put up for your door.
You for where?
For the front of your door.
I live for upstairs.
Carry and go put up
I live for upstairs. How you want to try? How you want to try? To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.